Want to attract unlimited amount of money in your life? Yeah, we all want, right? Yeah. This is one topic that everyone want that. That yeah, I want unlimited one amount of money in my life. So yeah. So how to attract more and more money in not only one source, not only two sources, but maybe for multiple sources. And that money, we generally think now money as a very negative way. We most of the times we creep and complain about money, and that is in our brain. We always think, we always creep and complain about money, but we most of the time ignore that the small cashback or the rewards we get from our any kind of discount we got from anywhere. But that is also money, no? That is also energy. You are getting that. So for that, we hardly pray the gratitude. Now here you have to do this. That's a tip. Here you have to do this. How to do this? Now recall that in past 10 days, 15 days or a month, how many sources of money, means maybe it is a very small amount, maybe if it is a rupee also, then also from which source you did not to write, but how much money this kind of rewards or this kind of cashback or any kind of discount you have received. Maybe it is a very small, maybe it is a big. First write down the small amount of money and then the large amount of money you have received. Smallest and the largest, that you have to recall that also. Now here we have to start paying the gratitude. How to do that? Now sit somewhere and take a deep breath. Take few deep breaths first. Now you are going to pray the gratitude. Dear money, I'm sorry for always cribbing and complaining about you. I respect the small amount of money. Now this time you have to take the smallest amount of money you have received, maybe in any form, maybe as a form of discount, maybe as a form of maybe as a form of any reward, cashback or anything. But you have to this part you have to recall that I am praying gratitude for the small amount of money. I am praying gratitude for the large amount of money. Now here this part you have to think about the maximum amount of money you have received. That amount you have to recall. Okay, so and you have to show the respect also. If money is a human being, you have to show that particular human being as a respect, so that they can come more and more to you. Okay, now you have to do this in a way that I respect small amount of money, I respect big amount of money, and I attract small amount of money, I attract big amount of money in my life. Now here in this part, the small amount, the big amount you want to attract, maybe from 1 lakh to 1 crore to 10 crore, whatever amount you want. Recall that is there in your bank statement or in your how you see, if you see your bank statement how it is showing, like that way you are seeing that your bank statement is showing that amount of money. If it is maybe it is in a digital form, you are opening your bank app and you are seeing that way, or in your laptop it's showing that way, or in a physical format you are showing that way. Whatever you are usually do, that format you have to recall. Okay, that you have opened your app, or you have opened your account, or you are seeing your physical bank statement, and you are seeing that amount is there in your account. Okay, now do it after me, or pause this here, write down all those steps. There are 4 steps. One is first step is you have to write down all the small amount of money you have received in your life, and in your past 1 month, and all the maximum number of amount of money you have received in last 1 month. Okay, now then the second part is you have to show the gratitude. You have to pray like that way, that you're showing the gratitude and you're showing the respect. So in that way you are saying that I respect this amount of money minimum, and I respect that amount of money maximum. So the smallest amount of money you have to think that if it is comes in a discount mode and all, that you have to just amount you have to recall, and the highest number of amount you have to recall, okay, in your bank account, in your statement, or wherever it is, from wherever and from how, which mode you have received, you have to recall that way, okay. And the second part is that is the second part, and the third part is that you are showing that now you are attracting money. You are attracting money, that I am attracting, this is the minimum amount and that is the maximum amount, and you're seeing in visualizing that it is in your bank statement or in your bank account, in physical or in digital format, okay. And the fourth part I'm going to tell you now. Very carefully, just watch this. First you have to deep breathe 5 times. Five. Now you are praying gratitude and respect to the money. I respect small amount of money. I respect big amount of money. I attract small amount of money. I attract big amount of money in my life. I attract money from all the way. I attract money from all areas of life. I love money. Money loves me. Thank you so much, money, for coming in my life consistently. Thank you. Thank you so much. I love you, money. This is the way. This is the affirmation. Do it consistently, minimum 7 days. Minimum 7 days. Do it consistently before sleeping and just after waking up. You have to do this minimum 7 days. Don't expect any result just 1 or 2 days. Minimum 7 days, and you have to do it. The better is that do it. The amount you want to receive, till the time you are receiving it, do it. Just do it. Do it. Just pray the gratitude and do it. Okay, that's it. That's for today. Okay, bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Okay, if you subscribe and hit the notification bell, I am coming up more and more on the money attraction affirmations and money attraction tips and tricks. And if you are hitting the bell icon, then you can get the notification. Okay, and another thing is that another beautiful tip I can give you: if you do this affirmation in front of a mirror, that is actually great. That is you can do a wonder. Many of my students, they did a wonder with that trick. So you can do it in front of a mirror also, but don't forget to do it before sleep, and twice, before sleep and after, just after when you are in your subconscious mind. Okay, bye bye.